2025. Grabe kapagod guys. Alam niyo, nag-practice kami ng Zumba.
Grabe na lang tayo, te.
Sabi ko pa lang, grabe ka pagod.
Grabe
Grabe ka pagod. Oh my God, ganun, te.
So guys, grabe kapagod. Nag-practice kami ng Zumba namin. Tapos, kami na lang apat sa room.
Ay, bolot tayo, tingnan. Sige ako yung
Apat na lang kami sa room, guys. So, itong classroom namin. Ay, mag-room tour tayo, guys. Kahit stress na ako. Wait lang. So, guys.
Gusto mo di ba mag-
Guys,
So, wait lang. Oops. Wait lang. So, ito guys, pagpasok mo sa room namin, ito yun ang door. Tapos, pagpasok mo, yan na agad ang makita ko. Yan. So, pagka punta mo dito, meron tayong blackboard. So, ito yung seat plan namin, guys. Yun ang seat plan. And then, ang homeroom namin, na-erase na.
kanino to?
Yan, oh. Ang blackboard namin, guys, may sira. Tingin ba?
Yes, it's so poor thing.
Ayan, oh.
It's so poor.
No, it's not mine.
Go.
Guys, oh, sira na. So guys, yun. And then, marami ang blackboard namin, guys. Sorry. And then, meron kaming TV, guys. Ayan. And then, may window pa daw. Sige. Yan, guys. May window. And guys, since this is Catholic school, ang mga section dito is about saint. And we are the Saint Joseph the Worker. Ito ang altar namin, guys. Yan, oh. Ayan. And then, yan ang classroom namin. Ayan. Tapos, pati sa likod. Tara. So, guys, dito sa likod, Teacher's Day last week. So, marami natanggap ang teacher namin kasi Teacher's Day last week. So, ayan. We have here flowers, bouquets, and teacher's table. So, bawal tayo dyan, guys. Then, dito ang aming other board, which is here, we have our class sched, as you can see. And then, exam sched. Wala kami exam sched. Ay, meron. Pero sa GC lang namin siya. And then, cleaners. Cleaners, guys. Kaming cleaners ngayon. Sorry, marami ang classroom. Hello, guys. So, stress na ako. Wala na akong lip color. So, ang buhok ko, feel ko nagpulot lalo. Pero okay lang.
Three, parang video mo kami. One, two, three.
So, yan ang mga classmate namin, guys. Alam mo, yan si Mark, oh. Si Mark ay naka-color pink, tapos si Natalie ay naka-color blue. Nag-ballroom sila, guys. Yan, oh. Nag-ballroom sila. Mahirapan ako maghawak guys kasi tablet. So, okay na pag-phone kasi maano ko siya. Ayan.
Tapos ako pa sa akin.
Guys, marami naka-pimples ang pawis ko. I'm sorry for that.
Tapos ikaw, mag-split ka.
But I'm still good. Okay, guys. That's all for today's video. Bye!